Labs created this makeup kit with natural ingredients that are sustainable and eco-friendly. The products are high quality and easy to use. Use the blush for a nice pop of color. The Creme Eyeshadow is a must-have product. Choose the color that flatters your skin tone, and you can mix in other colors for a bolder look. The Skyscraper Mascara will make your eyes stand out, and it's buildable for your desired look. Finish up with the Jolie Lip Crayon, and you're ready to run out the door. With Labs, you can expect high-quality products at affordable prices. Order yours today.